length of two parallel chords of a circle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So let us assume a circle with center O and let one chord AB be 6 centimeter and the other chord be CD 8 centimeter. If the smaller chord is at a distance of 4 centimeter from the center. So distance means a perpendicular from the center to the chord. So we will draw OE perpendicular to AB and the distance between that is 4 centimeter. That means OE is 4 centimeter. What is the distance of the other chord from the center? So it means we need to find the perpendicular distance OF from the center to the chord CD. This is one type of drawing where I had drawn both the chords in the opposite sides of the circle. I could have as well drawn both the chords on the same side of the circle as shown in the figure. I will be explaining with the first figure, but the same explanation applies to the one in the second figure also. Welcome to Mathotropism. So understanding what is given and identifying the concept. Given are two chords AB and CD of a circle parallel to each other with AB as 6 and CD as 8 centimeter, and we will be drawing the perpendicular distance OE to the chord AB and OF to the chord CD. We know that since it is perpendicular, the angles OEB equal to OEA equal to OFD equal to OFC all are 90 degree, and it is given that OE is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we need to find the distance to the chord CD. That means we need to find OF. So let us keep it as x centimeter, and since there is a right angle coming into picture, we will just join OB and OD, that is the radius of the circle, and we can see that we have now two right angled triangles OEB and triangle OFD. Now from the figure we can see that OE is perpendicular to AB and OF is perpendicular to CD. When we take the triangles OEB and OFD, we need EB and FD, and we know that the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So as a result, my OE is bisecting AB into two equal halves. So AE will be equal to EB, which will be equal to half of 6 centimeter, so 3 centimeter. Similarly, OF will be bisecting CD, so FD is equal to FC, which is equal to 4 centimeter. In this triangle, we are assuming that OB and OD is R centimeter, and we need to find OF. We have taken it as X, and I have drawn both the triangles separately. Now if we take the triangle OEB, my OB square is equal to OE square plus OEB square from the Pythagoras theorem. So as a result, if I substitute the values, 3 square plus 4 square is R square. Similarly, from the triangle OFD, my x square plus 4 square is equal to R square. So both are R square. So from 5 and 6 we can see that we can equate the left hand side. So as a result, I can get x. So this is how we are going to proceed. So forming equations and solving the sum. The given are two parallel chords of a circle. AB is 6 centimeter, CD is 8 centimeter. Construction is we are drawing OE perpendicular to AB and OF perpendicular to CD, where OE is 4 centimeter, and since it is a perpendicular, all the angles OEA, OEB, OFD and OFC are all 90 degree. We need to join OB and OD to make it into a triangle, and let that be R centimeter. So we need to find OF, and let us keep it as X centimeter. So the solution is, when we consider the chords AB and CD with the perpendiculars OE and OF, we know that the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So AE is equal to EB is equal to 6 by 2, which is 3 centimeter. Similarly, CF is equal to FD is equal to CD by 2, which is 4 centimeter. We will keep this as equation 1 and 2. And then we will take the right angle, the triangle OEB. So OE square plus EB square is equal to OB square. which is by the Pythagoras theorem. So 3 square plus 4 square is equal to r square. So we'll keep this as equation 3. Similarly, taking the triangle FOFD by Pythagoras theorem, we have x square plus 4 square is r square. We'll keep this as equation 4, and equating 3 and 4, since the right hand sides are equal, the left hand sides must be equal. So 3 square plus 4 square is equal to x square plus 4 square. Both the 4 squares get cancelled, so 3 square is equal to x square, which implies that taking square root on both sides, we get x is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, the distance of CD from the center is 3 centimeter. Thank you.